Okay guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here. So I was trying to do this test last night, but my battery to my camera kept dying, and it was a long video. I just ran into multiple problems and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to get this thing done this time. So I'm gonna show you something that the ROG Xbox Ally X cannot do, and I've put so much time into try to getting this thing done. So let's show you exactly what I can do. So before we start the game, we're going to put it in this settings right here. So we got this set to 1200p. We got frame rate limiter off, cap. We have dynamic on, which I should actually turn that off. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it off. We got upscale type on. Let's turn that off real quick. So we're going to put it to auto. We're going to put this on the quality. FSR off, motion blur off. So right here we have apply. So we're going to go into save. Okay. So as you can see, FSR and RT is off. Well, it's at the lowest settings because you can't turn it off on this one. So we're going to just go into the game, show you how it is native. So this is what it looks like right here native. You should be able to see the frame rates. So currently right now we have 54 frames per second. As you can see. Now this is all at 1200p. Alright. Now you gotta understand one thing about this game and this handheld changes its resolution by the resolution that's on your desktop. So if I change the game to 1080p, it's still going to be running at a 1200p setting. So for me to be able to get more performance, I have to actually lower down the display settings and change it down like that. Even if I go towards here, because this doesn't have 1080p, because this is only a handheld that runs up by 1200p and 1000p and 800p, I can't get 1080p. So as you can see right here, I got 12, 1050, 1000, 800p. If I switch it by 16:9, then I can get 1080p and 720p, and that's the farthest they go up to right there. Okay, so if I switch it to 1080p right now, without FSR and all that crap on right now, I get 45 frames per second up to 56 frames per second. Now, remember what I just said to you guys about the display. Now, for me to be able to, because currently right now it's still in 1200p. If I go to resolution, you see it's right here, it's still at 1200p. It's still at 1200p. So for me to correct this situation that the display still, I can't put it towards 1080p because the simple fact is it's just gonna change the desktop resolution. So what I have to do is I have to click on, let's get out of this, let's click on this. I have to go into settings, open widgets, cover my hand over here because it's going to show my personal information. As you can see right here, it's set to 1200p. For me to be able to play at 1080p, I got to set my display to actually 1080p. Change it. So now it's at 1080p. I can click this, back out of that, switch to that, and now I got 111 frames per second. Try to get that to focus. Focus, buddy, focus. There we go. See the frames right there? Now, because I got this set up, this is at 1080p without FSR, without frame gen on. I don't have any of that on, and I'm at 115 frames per second. Now the thing is, with the ROG Xbox Ally X, you can only get up to about 55 to about 66 frames per second. That's also with FSR on. When you turn FSR and frame gen on, you get up to about 100 frames per second. depending, right? I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna bull crap you guys. I'm not gonna try to say it's not like that. The Xbox, the ROG Xbox Ally X can only get pushed up to about no more than 110 frames per second with FSR on and frame gen on. It might have an update. I don't know when they're gonna get the update. I no longer have it, but I'm showing you how much this handheld can push at the resolution that you guys have. All right. So now I'm gonna put FSR on and frame gen on, and watch how much frames I actually get once I turn that on. So we're gonna put dynamic on. We're gonna put AMD FSR on, quality on, and we're gonna turn frame gen on. Okay, click apply, save. Watch how many frames we get now. We had 146, 149, 150, 145, 151. Now, mind you guys, this is at your guys, the Xbox ROG, I'm sorry, the ROG Xbox Ally X settings. Look how many frames we get in. Trying to get this thing to focus in. Look at that. The ROG Xbox Ally X, I'm sorry, the ROG Xbox Ally X can't even get these frames like that. Now, because I'm getting frames like this, I can now do this because of those settings. So let's get here. Let's go to options. So I'm recording audio. So what I want to do is go and click on this. Let's turn frame gen. I'm gonna turn that to medium. I want to turn this to medium, medium, medium. Let's keep that at high, medium, medium, medium. Hair strain, medium, medium. Apply, and we should have to do a reset. Now remind y'all, this is at 1080p. This is the settings that your ROG Xbox Ally X can push it at. Now putting at the settings that I got on here, using the settings that the ROG Xbox Ally X has, and this is what's going to basically happen. Now this is in 1080p, you guys' settings, all right? I just bumped everything up to almost the highest that I can put it for a handheld. Continue. Look at this. 114 frames per second. 123 frames per second. 134, 129. And this is at 1080p. Guys, are y'all seeing this? Now, if I was to set this thing to 800p, I can literally get this thing pushed all the way up to 200 frames per second and turn on ray tracing to the max settings, meaning that 800p or 1000p or 1050p, I can put ray tracing to high to max, almost maxed out, and still get about 100 frames per second on here. That's the reason why I said this is better than the ROG Xbox Ally X. And you guys thinking I'm lying, thinking I'm capping, whatever. This is the video right here to show it. And this game right here is not really optimized. This game has a hard time optimizing for this, especially on handhelds. Every time I try to play this on my ROG Ally, on my ROG Ally X, I wasn't getting the frames. I brought an MSI Claude 8 AI Plus. I wasn't getting the frames like that. I brought the I ain't buy the ROG Xbox Ally X. That was given to me for do a review, and I sent it right back to the damn store. Returned it. But after I tested it on here, popped this game on here, I wasn't getting the performance. Now let's do this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upscale this thing back to 16 by 10, and it's no longer going to be on 1080p. So I'm expecting a big frame drop on here because I'm pushing it back to 16 by 10. So 16 by 10 at 1200p. Click apply. Bigger screen. Display is set to 1080p. Okay. We still getting 155 frames per second. Only thing is a stretched screen, and I can tell it's stretched because it's in 1080p. This is stretched. I can tell it's stretched because I'm looking at it and the screen is actually stretched because the display is actually set to 1080p. So what I want to do is this. Let's pull this back up. Settings, open widgets, puff this back up again. Display, 1200p. Once I set this thing to 1200p, my frames is going to drop badly. Okay. So 61 frames per second, 63 frames per second. Okay, let's put this up. I got to do a lot of editing for this video though, so don't mind me. 1200p, 16 by 10. Let's go right here. Custom settings, everything's at medium. Come on, you can't go wrong with this. We at 64 frames per second. High settings. RT is set to the highest settings. And this look like PC wise. 63 frames per second. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this setting like this. Like, I will literally play this game like this. Now, once I put on my AR glasses, my Ray and Neo glasses, it's gonna probably drop the frames down. So I might have to put it in a different frame. But this is playable. Let's see. That's perfect. 59 frames, 55, 54. Oh. 64. I had to lower down the brightness. 64. Like, if I want to, I can just play in 1080p, but I like the full screen instead of the minimized screen. Yeah, this is perfect, guys. 60 frames per second, locked on. The most it dropped down is about 55, 56 frames per second, which is way playable, doable. This is perfect. That's perfect. And if I want more frames, I'll just turn ray tracing down on here. But this is perfect. I'm getting the perfect resolution. Everything looks beautiful on this thing. No lag, no tearing. This thing look beautiful, man. This thing look beautiful. This thing is beautiful. There's another guy on the ground, right? There should be more loot on the ground. There we go. Man, the other one I got on my mask and shit. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. And if I want to go back, I'll just lower the resolution down. So yeah, this is perfect. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'm gonna finish enjoying this. I'm gonna throw on my Ray and Neo glasses, and I'm gonna play my games on here. Stay tuned to my next video because I'm gonna show you how to take apart this controller. All right, it's very simple, very fast. All right, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow. Purse.